guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So, good evening, everybody. So, I'm going to be looking at what does this person really feel about you and the situation. I'm going to be seeing how they feel, what their intentions are, and what are their next actions towards you. All right, let's see. So, I'm going to be using this deck over here. This is absolutely a brand new deck. Okay, and I'm also going to be using the Heart Secrets, and I'm also going to be getting a few oracles. All right, so first I'll be starting off with this this deck over here. Let's see what does this person really wanna, how does this person really want to feel. I'm getting like beloved, you are my beloved, I will always come back to you is what I'm getting. All right, let's see, let us see. Oh guys, I'm kind of like up and down because I've been doing up I've been coming upstairs, going downstairs. We have twin flame signs. Okay, so we have, as your twin flame, I mirror what you are going through. Notice how we are very similar and share the same vision. There is a connection between us that can't be denied. We have to work on ourselves to be together. Look out for signs, my love. It's me sending you. All right, so that's what I said, that I'll always come back to you. This can be a twin flame. This can be a twin flame. I see that this person is really your twin flame. Like they really feel a strong connection here. We have confusion is here. We have hope. We have I love Israel, and we have guilty. So it looks like this person has done something to you, or maybe they have kind of created kind of like a confusion. It's like this person gave you a lot of hope, but they confused you. They gave you mixed signals, all right. And now I feel that this person is realizing that they were confused themselves. That is the reason they confused you. All right, I'm getting that very strongly. This person is like really like guilty of the fact that they never acknowledge what you guys had together. Irreplaceable, yeah. So maybe as in the past this person really like had options, they were kind of exploring their options. This person never believed in the, I'm getting the lovers card right in my vision. Like this person never believed in connections, true soulmate connections. They always believed in maybe like flings, or maybe like having a good time, and kind of like I'm not actually getting like physical addictions from this person's sides. I'm getting like this saw this statement which Gray made in 50 Shades. I'm I exercise in all pursuits. So this person is like all about money. This person was all about money, fame, logic. It is like this person always used the head, and they, when it came to relationships, this person never thought that they would have a very strong connection with somebody who is irreplaceable. So I feel that this person is really like uh, wanting to acknowledge that you guys do have this bond, this this kind of like a longing kind of a thing between the two of you. Daydreaming, yeah, this person is thinking about you a lot. They're thinking about you a lot. They feel that you're somebody who can light up the stars. You're somebody who can give them hope in their hope and love, even if they have given you pain. All right, so I feel that this person feels that you're very selfless, you're very giving. Need you. You're mature, you're nurturing, magnetic, passionate queen of my life. Yeah, exactly, look at that, that's like irreplaceable. This is giving me this vibe where they can never get anybody who is like just not, you're not just sexually like, or maybe you're not just attractive, but I feel that you're very magnetic. Okay, and you might be getting a lot of like recognition, or maybe like a lot of you might be getting a lot of attention from people. Okay, you might be like having your own business, you might be having your own um I'm getting like a flower store. I'm getting like you guys might be into art and crafts. You can also be having like a packaging industry. Some of you, I'm getting the Empress as well. Some of you are into the fashion industry as well, maybe like jewelry. I'm getting like a jewelry store. I'm also getting like clothing, something to do with clothes. All right. Okay. And we have hopeful. Yeah. And we also have hope. Look at that. So we have hopeful twice. So we have, I hope we can put the past behind and start all over again. I know that I'm asking a lot, but I hope you can forgive the error of my ways. I acted so immature. Yeah. So this person was like, that's what I said. This person was like not into connections for the real connection. Okay. They were all like all over the place. They were all over the place. They never had any kind of faith or logic behind them not wanting to be in a relationship with people. Just materialistic relationship is what they want. It's like just having a fling, liking somebody, having fun, and that's what it is. Let us see what tarot has to say. Let us see what does the tarot have to say. The Four of Pentacles. We have the Three of Pentacles, and we have the Five of Swords, and we also have the Five of Pentacles in reverse. A lot of fives over here. But this person has definitely played a lot of mind games with you. Okay, they have played a lot of mind games. uh, it's like there was a lot of competition between you and this person, or maybe there was a fight for competition, or there were people who were like trying to compete with you, it's like getting this person's attention was something which this person is all about getting attention. Okay, it's not it's and I feel that this person really like, they understand that they have friend zoned you to some extent. What does this person really feel? The Death card. This person is changing. This is a Scorpio major arcana, and I feel that this person is really changing. And I feel that with the Six of Swords and we have the Five of Cups, I feel that this person is really missing you a lot. They're missing your warmth, your love, your affection. I feel that this person is not somebody whom you're in separation with, but this is somebody you are in a break. All right, after break, I'll be back after a break. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is. And I feel that with the Three of Pentacles, you're uh, kind of like looking into yourself. You're kind of like doing your own thing. You're kind of concentrating on your job, your career. This can also be a work romance. This can be a work romance for sure. This can definitely be a work romance. Yeah, Seven of Pentacles. I feel that this person is really like, they love you. I feel with the Knight of Cups, I feel that this person is definitely wanting to wait around for some time and then come forward and offer you like they want to tell you that they are invested and they're changed. Okay, I feel that if this person has friend zoned you, I think you're not going to accept that shit from this person. I feel that you're really going to put yourself upright. You're going to put yourself first. You're going to really put yourself like in the first position. All right, you're really going to put yourself first. At the same time, I feel that you're really somebody who is wanting to make sure that you're not somebody who is being friend zoned and being treated by somebody just like that. Are you getting me? You're not taking, not just bullshit, but it's like, okay, and now before I was somebody, a part of me was you, and your a part of you was mine. So I was all yours, but how can you just treat me the way you want? It's something which I'm getting. It's like you're kind of like not taking this. You're like, no, I'm not gonna let you in. I'm not gonna let you in. Page of Wands. And that's when you don't let this person in, that's what this person does. This person is gonna come in with communication. This person is definitely gonna come in with communication. I feel that this person's intentions is to communicate. This person's intentions is to communicate. Yeah, the Devil. Ooh, okay. And we have the Five of Wands in reverse and the Judgment reverse. They feel that you're not going to give them any chance, but their intentions is to come back around. I don't, with the Devil card, I feel that they have been obsessing over you a lot. They have been obsessing over you. I don't get any unhealthy habits, or I don't get any unhealthy toxic behavior from this person's side, but their messages would be like really something which will take you aback. It's like this person would just like, for example, you put up a sexy picture and this person just clicks on your picture and they're like, oh my god, I love the booty. And you might say, what the fuck? this person told me that we are friends, or this person really didn't have any feelings. How can this person talk about this? So that's how they're going to show it. Yeah, Queen of Wands. Ooh, you are looking bomb. You are looking bomb. That's what I said. The Queen of Wands need you. You're really looking fantastic, aren't you? And you're really looking like, it's like you're getting like, people are like obsessing over you for no reason. It's such a beautiful card. Look at that, the Devil card. But at the same time, they know that you cannot be replaced, and you're somebody who's definitely an investment. All right for them. All right. Let's see this person's next actions. What are their next actions? What's this person's next actions, please? Six of Wands, getting your attention, looking at your social media. That's what I said. The Judgment, coming in for a second chance. This is Major Arcana for Libra. And we have the six. It's like the Page of Pentacles. This is really like the Page of Pentacles for me. I feel that this person is really like, they feel that there's something which has broken your foundation. Okay, they feel that with the Four of Wands, they feel that there is something which is broken between you and them, which can still be fixed, because they feel that they are coming in with the intention of another chance, a real chance. It's not just that they're coming in for attention. I don't think they're coming in for attention. Ace of Pentacles. That's what I said. Look at that. Ace of Pentacles. They're coming in for an opportunity. They're not just coming in just like that. So I feel that this person's next actions is to not let this go anywhere. With the Tower in the reverse, they would definitely make in some kind of they would definitely take an immediate chance, um, immediate action to come in and make sure that you're not going anywhere. At the same time, they would want you to know that they just don't want your attention, but they also want to give you attention with a solid opportunity. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, that's what I have for you guys, folks. I hope that resonated. If it did, please do like, share, and subscribe. If you guys are interested in booking a private reading, you can email me at rawpurnima45@gmail.com. If you guys are interested, $25 for 24 hours and 3 questions is on the board. Till then, see you. Bye.